this video, I will teach you how to use the swap of DeFi.Finance version 2. I am located in the Swap tab inside the Swap section. For a start, let's try to connect our wallet. This message tells me that I need to log in first. We fill in our email and password. We solve the CAPTCHA. We mark at least 2 images. Click on Login. Click on Continue. Once logged in, I can see my profile here. Now we will be able to unlock our wallet. I indicate the network I will use. In this case, it will be the Binance network. I would like to remark that I am in a test network and I am also using the test tokens. Therefore, you might see things named differently. However, when you watch this video, you will be able to use the real, fully functional network. I unlock the wallet and indicate that I will be operating on the Binance network. You can connect using different wallets. We have Metamask, Wallet Connect, Binance Chain Wallet, Trust Wallet, Math Wallet, and Token Pocket. I have Metamask installed. I select it, choose the account I would like to connect, click on Next, and on Connect. With our wallet connected, we can use the swap to acquire or exchange WOB, WDFI, and other available tokens. I am going to exchange BNB for WOB. I have 0.99 BNB and I want to acquire WOB. I leave BNB here, select WOB below, and indicate the amount to exchange. It shows me the amount of WOB I am going to receive. Click on Swap. This window shows us a summary of the transaction we are doing. If everything is correct, click on Confirm Swap. I also confirm it in Metamask, continuously checking the gas rate. The transaction is completed. In Metamask, I can see that I've added a small amount of WOB and the amount of BNB has decreased. To exchange WOB, it will be precisely the same process. I have to indicate that I want to exchange WOB for another token. If I want to exchange WOB for BNB, I can click this icon to change the positions. If I want to change it for another token, I can select it. I indicate the amount of WOB to exchange. I will place a very low number so I don't make a big impact on the testnet liquidity. With this amount of WOB, I will receive 0.92 BUSD. Currently, my balance is 1 BUSD. I must approve the WOB for it to interact with Metamask. The approval process begins. It is approved. The swap button is now activated. Click on it. All this information is correct, so I confirm the swap. I confirm it in Metamask. Transaction completed. I have now received 0.92 BUSD in my Metamask wallet, and my balance is 1.92. This is how we can make use of the swap inside DeFi.Finance version 2 to acquire WOB, WDFI, as well as other tokens that we can find. After using the platform, we must disconnect our wallet. Here it asks me to connect my wallet because I have already disconnected it. Log out of DeFi.Finance. Finally log out of Metamask.